What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today I have two TeePublic videos for you guys. I want to talk about TeePublic a little bit. It's been a while since I really talked about TeePublic as a whole, and I want to tell you guys some news that happened to me with TeePublic and some things I've learned about the platform since my last videos on talking about how to get unbanned from TeePublic and all that stuff. So today's video, if you did not read the title, is going to be talking basically about my TeePublic shop getting banned. And no, this is not my main shop. This is my new shop that I just opened literally this week. So it is a new shop getting banned. And why do I think this happened? I'm pretty sure it is because of the mass uploads I did. I uploaded 90 designs in 2 days. They don't seem to like when you upload the max amount of listings, even though they set a limit. They don't like that very much. I still like TeePublic. I want to get that out of the way right away. I still think TeePublic is a good platform. However, they don't really give you a reason when you get banned, so I can't be certain why. All they really say is you violated one of our terms and services in a list about 40. So it's kind of hard to tell why I got banned. Was it for mass uploading? Did I have a trademark design that I didn't know about? Which I'm pretty sure I don't, because all these designs are in a niche. And these niches have no brand recognition, no brands, no sayings that I've really taken from anyone. So I don't think it's a trademark issue. I'm not exactly sure what the issue is, but nonetheless, my shop got banned, and I'm not that sad about it because it only had 80 designs on it. It's not like it's my 2,000 design shop. It didn't take me long to upload 80 designs, and those 80 designs and that niche shop is still just fine on Redbubble and Etsy, and those are the bigger platforms anyways, so that's what's more important. However, even if I was to be banned this shop on all platforms, or my main shop was to be banned on TeePublic, you have to realize that you cannot have just one source, especially in print on demand, of income, or one basically platform. You need to diversify and go to different places. And the Redbubble suspension was a big wake-up call for a lot of people, because you can realize how quickly source of income or something can be snapped away from you just because you don't own these platforms, and they in the end have all the control and own all the rights to their platforms. So you need to be careful and be smart. Don't do anything you know is going to get you in trouble for sure, and definitely try to be cautious when uploading designs, trademark check, all that good stuff. And don't try to spam. Don't be spammy. These platforms, they're chasing down people who are spamming, whether it be spamming keywords, keyword stuffing, whether it be spamming listings and uploads. You got to be careful, and you got to be cautious when you're doing this, and you want to make sure everything you post is uniquely yours and you have the rights to it. So real quick, let's pull up the email that TeePublic sent me, and I'll show you guys what I mean when I say they do not tell you why you get banned. Alright, so here is the email right here. TeePublic basically says this is to notify you that as a result of a violation of our terms and conditions, they don't say which one, they don't tell me why, we have removed or disabled access to the material that has appeared on my shop and deleted my account. So very swift action from TeePublic, no warning, no nothing. I'm assuming this is because I am a new seller to them on this account, so it's a brand new account this week, and you can appeal the rights to this. However, they deleted your account and they have disabled access to the material that was on the account. So it's a bit shady. It is a bit like, why didn't they warn you? Why didn't they do any of that? But in the end, they own the platform, and 99% of the time, you probably are at fault anyways without even you realizing it. So I probably did do something wrong. I'm sure I violated their terms and conditions in some way. They don't tell me why, but I'm sure that I did. So I know that they own the platform, they make the rules, and you have to go by the rules if you want to stay safe on these platforms. Now, I also wanted to make this video to just inform you guys, if you get banned on one platform for print on demand, do not give up. Please don't give up. There's so many other options out there for print on demand. Even if you get banned from every single platform, there are still options for you. You can start a Shopify store. You can make your own store. There's so many different things you can do. The number one reason I do like free print on demand and using these websites is because they do the advertising and bring the traffic to you. You just have to make quality in-demand designs, which is my favorite part about print on demand. So I like using these websites, and I do want to stick with the rules and stick with these websites as long as I possibly can, because I think not having to drive your own traffic and just making the content and putting it on a site is very easy to do. Anyone can do it, and it doesn't require, bunch of different ad testing and ad copy and all this stuff. So I really like how these platforms work and operate. So I don't think you should exclude one just because someone had a bad experience with them. I think you should try these things out for yourself and make sure you are following the terms and conditions as closely as possible. If you're uploading to TeePublic, I would probably recommend don't upload 50 every day for the first week of your account. Don't do that. Take it slow. Do like 20 a day or 10 or however many designs you have on backlog. Just do a little bit, chip it away slowly, and make sure your designs are trademark friendly. Make sure you own the rights to the images on your designs, and make sure the phrases and things like that are also under your rights. Now, with all that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to know a little bit more about TeePublic, I am going to have another video. It's going to be around here somewhere. It might be in the description. I'm going to be posting it after this video, talking about something that I learned about TeePublic and them not showing your designs and why they don't show your designs, or do they actually show your designs? Because there is something I want to share with you guys, but I'm going to leave that for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't even hit the subscribe button. We don't need that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and that's all I got for you guys today. It's been your friend Jack. Keep striving, stay blessed, have a great day. Peace.